It's so small, you just didn't even see it. Anyways, we have a drawer face coming off. The screw pulled through the backing there. Nails coming loose. These are some of the supplies you might need. 23 gauge pin nailer, 18 gauge brad nailer, cordless, and there's your nails. We'll shoot it in from the back. Cabinet screws, cabinet handle screws are what those are. I forget the name. But there's a washer in there also, and then some wood glue clamps, but I'm not sure if I'm going to need them. So anyways, I probably would have just replaced the vanity in my old house, but I'm just going to sand this down eventually and paint it the same color as the wet bar right outside the bathroom, mostly because of how the plumbing's set up underneath. But yeah, it's about to fall off. Without it spinning on us. There we go. And that'll kind of be like our guide, will be this screw. Get my hammer. That screw will give us a guide, because we'll put that washer on the back of a new screw. Now I want to test my depth, see what size nail I want. So this is 1.5 inch brad nails. It looks like they're going to be a little too long, so we will go with the 1 inch pin nails. And probably, yeah, these will be perfect to work. So let's get these old nails out.